Hello everyone! In this lesson, we are learning to use the connectors for time and sequence. Time and sequence connectors join two or more actions to show time or sequence of events. Time connectors show the time of actions. Some examples of time connectors are as, when, while, before, since. Time connector as. Tom's mother watched him as he did his online lesson. Time connector when. It was raining when we arrived. Time connector while. Max sang while washing his car. Time connector before. The girl drinks a glass of milk before she goes to bed. Time connector since. Mr. James has not eaten since he reached the fire station this morning. Sequence connectors show the actions that happen one after another. Some examples of sequence connectors. Firstly, next, then. Let's recap. Time and sequence connectors are used to join two or more actions to show time or sequence of actions. Hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. See ya!